Alright, today we are making some ceviche. We're at Port Mansfield. And this is some fresh caught speckled trout, which is really good. What you gotta do is you gotta dice all your fish to real small pieces like this. Make sure there's no bones in it. And what we want to do is, so this is going to be cooked only in lime. What you want is the most surface area available for all this fish to be able to cook properly. So I'm going to dice this all the way through, and there you go. I don't know if you can get a shot of that. That's what we want right there. Push it down, nice and compact. Step one, always wash your utensils. Alright, well, the main ingredient to this is, of course, limes. Not lemons.
Limes.
Limes. So the acid in this is going to fully cook our fish. So how many limes does it take? It's going to take a lot of limes, and as many as you need to make sure that all our fish is completely submerged. You don't want any piece of the fish outside the line. That should be about enough limes. What do you figure there? About 10, 15 limes. So, we're going to fast forward through this and start squeezing all these limes in there. Ready? Alright, so now we've got lime. We're going to salt and pepper to taste. About there. Salt this. About there. Give it a little stir. Make sure that it is covered in lime. Keep patting it down. Does that look covered in lime?
Pretty much.
No. Needs more limes.
Okay.
So let's continue cutting the lime. Actually, next step, I want a little bit more lime. Let's knead it, because there's lime on there. And then it's also fresh. Alright, so look up. Right there. Okay, it is chemically cooking right now as we speak. Gonna give this a little quick. I'm gonna take an onion, chop off the butt end to them. So, get out for later. Now this guy's gonna chop real fine, about that big. Again, there it is, smaller piece, easier. You cook it like this as well. Lose some bitterness. What are your greens? So, 6 eggs. Everything that you need to make pico de gallo or pico de gallo and a mango. it. Just a little bit of onion. To where you spread it around. I don't like to mix it in with the ceviche just yet. I just put a layer on top of it. Like that. It's going to be more like a dip, if you will. A bit of salt. Alright. And some jalapenos. Let's more approach. This is what we see. Line. You find nice. That's how they just get out from here. Throw some of that in there. Layer it on top as well. Starting to form. Same thing we do. Put that on there. Get it out. Make another layer on it. And then just a little more. Alright. Tomato flew out. Alright, that should be enough tomato there. Now here comes the key ingredient. It is the mango. Alright. Now we throw the mango. And again, layer it. Let some of that citrus come down and help with the chemical process. And we throw it in the fridge for 45 minutes to 2 hours is what you want. Alright, so here we've had the ceviche sitting in the fridge for about, I'd say, close to 45 minutes to an hour. Who's going to try it?
I am.
So we're going to use some saltines, crackers, and fire this guy away. So all it takes is about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, up to 2 hours. You don't want to leave it overnight. Some people say leave it overnight. The reason being, then your shrimp turns, or your fish turns to mush. And Ray Ray's going to try it here for us. Thumbs up? Alright. Kid friendly. Mike, you want to try a piece?
Mother approves me over there.
There you go. And I'm going to try a piece here too.
Very good.
Throw
Very
some
good.
fruit on that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yep.
Not fishy at all. You can see the fish is cooked completely. Fresh caught. Yeah, you all get your own. This is mine. I would throw some
Oh yeah.
more spice in it because that jalapeno didn't do anything. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Put your comments. And that is all.